We are back at it again today with some painting. Chloe's going to be doing another coat on the worktop, and I'll be painting the beams underneath for the cupboards on the walls.
Paint time!
Woo! Let's go. Right, here's a little show of what we've done so far. I've started painting underneath the cupboard. At some point today there might be a cupboard wall on the side of here. Chloe's been painting. Now this is what it looks like now it's been painted. It's had its second coat. The worktop's had its second coat. That's had its second coat, so that's done. I'm going to tidy up over this side so we can paint underneath. I've given a coat of paint to the beams along here and underneath. And yeah, let's crack on.
Bye.
Currently doing a third and final layer on the worktop on this side. Chloe's going to be painting that bit there.
Obviously, no, it's not going to protect it, but does anyone have any tips for like kitchen protecting? Obviously, we're going to do like I can't remember what they're called. They're like sticky splashback stuff that look like tiles, but they just stick on. But only ever help like resin, maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, so we're gonna get some stick-on tiles for the back, hopefully, and then the sink is going to go here.
Yeah.
Hot plate or stove top here.
Yeah, that's
and
what
then
we need the protection for is that side.
This side is going to be a coffee machine and air fryer and some other kitchen appliances. So yeah, let's get painting.
Ew.
You're just painting the ceiling at the moment. The first board that's going up, and we've got another board out there to go up as well. And that colour is the touch of silver, which is also on the walls, which will be down here, over there, and on the ceiling. Later on in this video we'll have a van life update for you and a little tour of what we've been doing. Yeah, so stay tuned for the rest of the video.
Ow, my hair. Smile.
Carry, I've got my allergies here.